How to add links at the bottom of a website in Hostinger Website Builder. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to add some links or some buttons into the bottom or the footer section of the Hostinger website. So the process is going to be very simple and very easy. You're going to head over hostinger.com, sign in for an account, and then you're going to see the H panel or the dashboard of our Hostinger. So from here, you're going to head over the websites, click on website list, and then you are going to see all of the websites that you have into your account. So make sure that you are going to check for the logo of the website that we have. At least if you do not have a logo, at least make sure that you are going to have this sign of the Hostinger website builder integrated, and then you are going to edit that website. So now we are going to wait for the website to load up and we are going to head over the footer. So basically, we can add some footers or some specified footers by adding some sections, and then we can go ahead and have here some footers. Some of the footers will have here some social media, as you can see, added or icons added and buttons like these. And you can go ahead and modify or edit the social media icons by putting here the links of the social media. You can add new links, customize the styles, the layout, etc. And if you have like this one or this specific, let's say, right there, standard footer, you're going to have it put in here. We have the social media. We can add some elements like text. For example, I'm going to add a text in here. I'm going to make it like this. And we can go ahead and type in something like here we are going to put a link for, let's say, shop. So shop like that. We are going to make it bold or put it bold. And then we are going to have it as a paragraph like that. Maybe this is going to be better. So we are going to make it a little bit smaller and we are going to add some more elements. So I'm going to duplicate that, put it in the same line. I'm going to double tap in here. So we are going to put from store about, for example, and I'm going to make it a little bit bigger. So we are going to duplicate it for a third time and add another thing like, so I'm going to type in here something like policy. Here we have it. So I'm going to smaller. Now we can start by adding the link. So we are going to click on edit and then we are going to click on link, and then we can go ahead either and put a link on a or internal page link, a web address, section, email address, phone number, or a file download. So I'm going to have here pages and we're going to search for maybe the shop. I'm going to link it to all products. We're going to let it open on the same tab or in a new tab. Click on save. This is the underlined, as you can see, button. Now we have the about. We are going to do the more or the same thing. Click on edit, have the link or the two chains. Select the page, for example, and we are going to search for the about our service. So something like that. So we are going. You've got the idea, I think, of having this. I'm going to add a third option, which is going to be here the policy like this. I don't know. Here we are going to put these elements. So you can go ahead and select all three elements and move them together. So we are going to put them as in here. So basically that was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content and I hope to see you soon on the next